Welcome to Chapter 3, Off-Page Optimization. In this chapter, you'll learn the basics of link building, how to identify a good link, the difference between synthetic and natural link profiles, how to recover from bad links, and solid link building tactics. Let's take a moment to discuss what offsite SEO really is. The majority of offsite external factors that influence organic rankings fall within the link building arm of search engine optimization. Without a thoughtful link building strategy in your overall SEO strategy, you are just burning time and money. Offsite SEO refers to techniques that can be used to improve a website SERPs, or search engine results page. Unlike on-site SEO, which we covered in the last chapter, offsite SEO refers to activities outside the boundaries of the web page. There are three main components of offsite SEO: link building, social media, and social bookmarking. We will cover all three in depth later on in the chapter, but first I'll explain the importance and benefits you can get from a proper offsite SEO strategy. So why is offsite SEO important? We talked about how search engines are constantly striving to return the best results to search users in Chapter 1. In order to do this, the algorithm weighs out on-site SEO, other quality factors that we will cover later on in the course, and offsite SEO. Offsite SEO gives the search engines a clear indication on how the world, other websites and users, perceive that particular website. A website that is useful will likely have more references or links from other websites. The link is more likely to have mentions on social media, Facebook likes, tweets, pins, plus ones, etc., and it is more likely to be bookmarked and shared among communities of like-minded users. Successful offsite SEO strategies present several benefits to website owners and digital marketers. You get an increase in rankings. The website will rank higher. Increase in PageRank. PageRank is a number between 0 and 10 indicating the importance of a website in Google's eyes. We will discuss this more in depth next, as it is often an overemphasized metric and only one of 250 ranking factors that Google uses. Finally, exposure. Higher rankings and more traffic means greater exposure. When a website ranks in top positions, it gets more links, more visits, and more social media mentions. That's the basic foundation of offsite SEO. Now let's talk a bit about PageRank. Start with what Google itself says about PageRank. Google considers links to be like votes. In addition, the search engine considers that some votes are more important than others. PageRank is Google's algorithm that counts links as votes and determines which pages are most important based on those votes. These scores are then used with a couple hundred other factors to determine if a page will rank well in a search. Ordinarily, you can't see PageRank as a searcher, but behind the scenes it helps, in part, to decide if a page will show up in the top search results or not. Most searchers encounter PageRank through the Google toolbar if they've installed it. The toolbar has a PageRank meter that is best explained by Google as wondering whether a new website is worth your time. Use the toolbar's PageRank display to tell you how Google assesses the importance of the page you're viewing. Now, it's important to note that while PageRank is a ranking factor, it's one of 250 ranking factors that Google uses. It is often overemphasized as a metric. Google has slowly began to phase out the PageRank toolbar. It noted in October 2013 that there would be no further updates to the PageRank portion of the toolbar. There hasn't been an update since December of 2013. Now, we can only speculate, but this tends to indicate a shift in priorities as far as PageRank goes. As of this tutorial, it's one of many ranking factors, and placing too much importance on PageRank as a ranking factor will be detrimental to your overall offsite SEO strategy. That covers the overall purpose in PageRank. That is it for Chapter 3, Section 1. Next up in Section 2, we will be discussing the best practices for link building, what makes a good link, synthetic versus natural link profiles, and no-follow versus do-follow links.